Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude isn't working right now error in 2026. So when you come here on Claude.ai and try to log into your account, when you are using it and when you are trying to get the response out of it, you may be seeing the Claude isn't working right now error over here. So in order to fix it, what you need to do first is to simply refresh this particular page. For that, click on the option of refresh here on the top, and then it will take some time and it will refresh this particular page. Now sometimes temporary loading glitches or the failed sessions can trigger this particular error message even though the service is working normally again. So after doing this, the second thing that you need to make sure of is your internet connection is stable. So here, if you are using it in your PC, you just have to click on this particular Wi-Fi icon. Then here you just have to look for your Wi-Fi that you have connected it to. Afterwards, you can just simply click on this airplane mode. You can turn it on, wait for 5 seconds, and then you can turn it off. So what this is going to do is it is going to help improving your connection speed, and then you can come here on Claude AI in your web browser and refresh this page and try to see whether it is now working properly again. Now, if you are using any kind of VPNs or proxy extensions, make sure that you also remove them from here. So temporarily, you can also disable them. So you can click on this jigsaw icon or this extension icon, then come here inside your manage extension section. Now over here, you can just simply turn this particular toggle off right next to the VPN that you are using. Even if you haven't connected, you just have to disable it, and then you can try coming here on Claude AI and then see if that error is gone forever. So you can try these easy fixes and see if any of these work for you. Thank you.